I just wanted to make a new video today about some new guitarists that I follow on Instagram. The reason why I'm doing this, I saw quite a bit of reactions about that 250 best guitarists of all time on the Rolling Stones article, and I just wanted to shift a bit the attention from that to like some new players, and I wanted to bring the attention to some younger players. My rules basically were that we're around 30 or younger. Of course, I'm not a great judge of age, so if I got this completely wrong, I apologize to to the players. They didn't have a massive following or were relatively unknown. Maybe with an exception of the last one. I think I cheated a little bit on the last one, so I apologize for that. And there were people that I didn't know. So obviously I know a lot of amazing guitarists, luckily, and we're lucky in that sense. And I didn't want to get anybody to feel included or excluded or whatever. So those were my rules, so to speak. So the first one is this guy called Filipe Rosset. Again, I apologize if I murder somebody's name. Most of these guys are from different parts of the world. So again, this is the first one. So you can see there's quite a bit of like modern pentatonic with the false finger, so to speak, 3-note strings, and it's quite fluid. I really like that kind of Allsworth style in a way. Yeah, so you can see it's quite fluid in that way, in that style fusion, so to speak. The next guitarist is a Russian guitarist. Yeah, the second guitarist, as I was saying, is a Russian guitarist called Nastia Donna. Been following her for a while. She's got great sound, great skills. Jazz, but slightly more atonal, so to speak, in a way, atonal. And definitely check her out. So, quite a few live gigs and bits and bobs of playing live. Most of these guitarists actually, I like the fact that they actually do gigs as well. There's quite a bit of live playing in their Instagram posts. The next guitarist is a guy called Spiro Duss. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And he's more in the fusion, more in the prog, heavier, technical shred type thing, but it has some more original ideas, I feel. So that's why I included him.
What's up, guys? I want to address some people asking if that last video I posted was fake or edited or whatever. It's not. All it is 3-note per string economy stuff, but using 2-note per string shapes. So basically, where you would typically have, you're going to double up on the first note per string.
Yeah, some cool ideas, some really new sounds. I really dig that. So again, Spiro Duss. The next one actually is a girl from the UK. She's more of a contemporary singer, songwriter, guitarist, very jazzy, cool sounds. Her name is Rosie Frater Taylor. And this is I love in this video how she plays with loopers and stuff like that. Yeah, check her out. Some really cool songs there. She sings as well. So the next player is more of an instructional Instagram. You can see there are loads of like small, I think they call them slices, where you have a lick and then the the music underneath. So there's a guy called Alex Jung. There's some more contemporary things. Yeah, it's very fluid. Very fluid, some really cool things. It's quite challenging stuff there. The next name is actually somebody who's more in the producer kind of pop world, and I discovered this guy through a friend of mine, a bass player that I play here in London. This guy's called Alex Haines. Reminds me of some more like organic Americana players. Yeah, some great playing, especially great sounds. He plays a lot with, I'm assuming he must have a lot of pedals, stuff that is a lot of like glitchy type sounds and more soundscapes in general with great sounds. The next one is a guy called Thomas Griggs, and again we're going back to more the Slonimsky type stuff where there are like very contemporary things based on cycles. This is one. Great sounds there. So again, if you want to get ideas, modern ideas, sounds to do with this non-conventional, if you want to call it that way. It's conventional for some, I guess. Then obviously this is where I cheated because I'm sure you've heard of Matteo Mancuso. He's an Italian guy. He's a great player. I think of him a bit like a younger Guthrie Govan, but that plays better jazz, so to speak. No disrespect to Guthrie. He's incredible musicians. Obviously, both of them are very gifted, and both of them have much bigger following than myself. But I prefer Matteo's jazz feel to Guthrie Govan, even though Guthrie obviously is an incredible player. Yeah, it's a quite unique way of playing, obviously, with that right hand thing. Well, yeah, I just thought of sharing some new musicians that I found online, and just to maybe use my little bit of clout to send some more, people their way, so to speak. I always enjoy seeing, new sounds, new people grow their audience rather than hearing always the same few names, as much as it's deserved, I guess, for all the work that is, that it's needed to get to that level. Okay, and as always, anything that you can do to help the channel grow is very much appreciated. Check out the links in the description. Like, subscribe. Check out the links in the pinned comment and all that jazz. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.